Staycation?
No.
Staycation? No, you're not. Now you look more and more like your brother now. There's only 3 of you, ni? You and your brother? Yes. Sir. Okay, let me get the rest. It's not here. Oh boy, I forgot. Okay, just hold on. Let me just get who's not here. Putra. Okay, so hold on. Questions here. Okay. So, all right, we just wait for one more. Let me see. Who else is not here? Okay, we'll start now. So this is from your P6 textbook lah. Okay, this is from Shaping Maths actually. So can we just be revised lah a little bit? Very easy stuff. You try question number A and question number D. A and D, please. A and D. Well done, ready? And D. Oh, someone. Who is it? Friday? I think maybe. Yeah, well done. Well done, really. Oh, B can go for the. Really, which one is it? 1/3. B. Oh, you're giving an extra. Okay, no problem. Well done, Kashril. Well done, Rias. Righty, you can do B and C also. Those who finish A and D, you can move to B and C. But yeah, you got to finish. Alrighty, very fast. Alrighty, well done. Kashril, well done. Hey, wait. Kashril, you do D lah, do D. That one is correct. You need to reduce to the lowest terms. Shalina, Shalina got to check. Shalina got to check. Got to check. Shalina, you take a photo and send it to me, Shalina, of your working if you can. If cannot, never mind. Okay, if cannot, never mind. Okay, those of you have forgotten. Okay, those who have forgotten. Down here now, you cannot cancel top and bottom. So top times top. 1 times 3, 3. 2 times 4, 8. That's your answer for A. Try D also. Ilwa, well done. Righty, just a moment already. Well done, Riaz, for D. Do B and C, Riaz. Kashril, reduce, reduce. Can divide by 3. It's best to reduce first, otherwise the number gets too big. Elwa, well done. Okay. Elwa, do D first. D first. Well done. Your B is correct. 15, not 5. 15, right? Correct or not? Putra, 15, Yeah. Or 5. But the top number is what? 5.
Is 5.
Not 5.
Wait, which version are you referring to?
You are referring to D, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now you reduce this to, this one become 3. Well done, Riaz. Okay, we are going to go through, Okay, we're going through D now. This one divide by 3, you get 3. This one you divide by 3, you get 4. Well done, Shalina. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 4, 16. Correct? Okay, those of you are doing this one, you can cancel 5 and 5 can cancel. So you get 3 over 9, but you can still divide. Divide by 3, you get 1. Divide by 3, you get 3. So it's 1 times 1, which is 1. 3 times 1, this is all 1 now. All 1s you cancel become 1. 1/3 for B. Down here, 5 and 5 can cancel. This one divide, when cancel means what? Left 1, 1, 1. Divide by 3, you get 1. Divide by 3, you get 2. So this is half. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. All right? I hope it's okay. We move to the next 4, but again, don't do all 4 unless you finish the first and last. So do the first one and the last one first. And go. For those of you who are confused, this 3, you can write it as 3 over 1. This 12, you can write it as 12 over 1. This 3, 3 over 1. 6, 6 over 1.
You must write in mixed number, right?
Yeah, okay. Give your answer mixed number if the top is bigger than the bottom. Thank you. Hilwa, well done. Shalina, well done. Riaz, well done. What about Raidi? Raidi, well done. Kashfil, well done. Move to D, H first. You move to H first. Who's this? Raidi, well done. Okay, Raidi, then you do the rest. Hilwa, you got to check. 33 cannot divide by 8. Hey, don't do F lah, Hilwa, I think. You're doing, okay, Kashfil, well done. Do F and G. Okay, Hilwa, let me check yours. Okay, Raidi, well done. Hilwa, well done for number F. Hilwa, do H. Shalina, well done. Shalina, do F and G. Kashfil, well done. Ready, hold on, Well done, ready. Riaz, which one is this, Riaz? Number what, H. H wrong, lah. You got check in. Selina, well done for F. Kashfil, well done for G. Okay, we are going to go through now one by one. Okay, those of you who are still struggling, if you are struggling, means you got to practice more of this. Okay, you put over 1 here. So it's like that, 3 over 1 times. Okay, well done, Shafia. But you got to write it as a mixed number lah. So now down here now, how to do? You take top times top, bottom times bottom, right? Okay, sorry, why am I? Sorry. I must put 12 here. Well done, Shalina. Divide by 3, you get 1. Divide by 3, you get 4. It's 5 over 4. So Shafia, you're correct. But you must give it as a mixed number, which is what? 1 and 1/4. How you get 1 1/4? You must divide long division now. Okay, but if you say I don't know long division, that means we are going to have a problem, because this is something that you should be mastering before by P5 lah. So 1 1/4. How to get 1/4? I show you again. I show you again. I put a 5, divide by 4. Then after that, down here get 1, down here get 4. Then you get, sorry, just a moment. And then 4, then you minus, you get 1. So it's 1 whole. This one is whole, 1 whole. Remainder is 1 over 4. Okay, so 114. This one same thing, put over down here. You cannot cancel anything. 3 times 11, 33. 1 times 8, 8. So yes, 33 divided by 8, 32 can divide. You get 4 and 1. Okay. Okay, this one I just give the answer 10 and a half here. Okay, I won't go through these two. And this one is how much? 9 whole. 9 whole. Well done. Okay, if you can get it. If you can't get it, you must watch the video. Okay. Right now. So now we're going to go higher. This is just introduction. This is recall a journal. Okay, just recalling. Okay, I'm just going to mark. We do the first and last one. Okay, then if you can do the rest. Okay, first and last. And go. Mixed number must be changed to improper fraction which before you do the cancellation and all that. Well done, Riaz. Well done, ready. Hello, I wish. I think almost very correct earlier on. Husna, Shafika, Shafia, you got to make it mixed number. Hilwa, Iman, you got to check question A. Okay, ready, let's see, yeah. Well done, ready. Ready, can you do B, C, D, E? Shalina. Yeah, well done, Shalina, for A. Righty, you got to check the answer for B. Okay, Riaz, which question is this, Riaz? Yeah, well done, Riaz. Well done. Okay, Hirwa, what question is that? Hirwa, 248. Kashfir, well done for A. Hirwa, not correct. Not correct. Can you try again? Yes, do the other questions, please, Riaz. Shafika, Shafia. Okay, acceptable, but don't use calculator lah. You give the fraction. 2 whole and how much? Answer is correct. Kashfir, well done. Okay, ready? Just a moment, ready? Have you tried your B again, ready? You get the answer for B. Okay, we are going to go through question 1 first. Those of you who can do, divide by 3, you get 3. Divide by 3, you get 1. Then 7 times 3, 21. 21 over 8, you got to use long division. So those of you who do not know how to do, look carefully how we do this. Divide by 8, so you can get 16 here. 16 times 8 is 16 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So this is 2 down here. You minus, you get 5. So this is 2 wholes. You see the 2 down here. Remainder is 5 over 8. This is your answer for question number E. Question number here now. How to do? Change the improper fraction. 2 times 5, 10 plus 4, 14. 14 over 5 times by 10. You can reduce what? Times by 10. Divide by 5 is 2. Divide by 5 is 1. 14 times 2, 28. Alas, correct. Well done. Okay, let's see now. We'll go through all the other answers very quickly. Okay, anyone got the answer for B correct now? Okay, Shalina said 2, 3, 4. Let us see. Anyone else? Down here, you can divide by 5, get 1. Divide by 5, get 2. 11 times 1, 11. 2 times 2, 4. So how many of these can you get as an improper fraction? You divide by what? Divide by 4, right? You get 8 remainder 3 lah. Right? 8 remainder 3, right? So that means your answer is 2 wholes 3/4. Okay. I hope you all okay. D. Divide by 5, get 3. Divide by 5, get 1. Top times top, 6 times 3, 18. 1 times 7, 7. So what's the next number? When you divide by 7, you get 2 wholes 4/7. Okay, we move on. I'm going to move on to the next one. Don't worry about the answers yet. Okay. Here we go. Okay, can you try this? Question number 3. Do A and D first. If you finish, do C and D. A and D. Just give me a moment. Allah. Okay. Oh. Okay, we do A first. Kashil, well done. I think Kashil has given the first answer. Ready? Hilwa, yes. Ready? Riaz, yes. Raidi, yes. Good. Okay, what about the next answer? Raidi have given the next answer. Let's see what is correct. Congratulations, Raidi. Raidi, move on to B and C. Hilwa now. Hilwa and Raidi have different answers for B. Yeah.
Sure, I done B and C.
Yeah, but okay, so let's see who's correct. Okay, Raidi, let's see whether your answer is correct. Yes, Raidi, congratulations. Hilwa, you got to check your answer for B. C, hold on, let me just check the rest. Okay. Raidi, let's see. Raidi, let me see. Can you check again, Raidi? I think your answer is wrong. We cannot reduce to lowest terms for this one. Okay. 1, 5, 6. Okay, let's see now. Shalina, D, correct? All right, and just let me run through your D. Kashil, hold on. Kashil, D, correct? Riaz, D, correct? Okay, right, this. Okay, now you're going to B. Some will B. Naomi, which question is this, Naomi? Hilwa, okay, I'm going to run through the first and last first, and then you see it's very easy. Try to, this you can write it as 6/18. Then what do? You divide by 3. Both can divide by 3. Then after, or divide by 6 straight are better. Bigger number, divide better. So when you divide by 6, what do you get? 6 divided by 6 is 1. 18 divided by 6 is 3. This is your answer for the first one, 1/3. Okay, 1/3. Next one now here, 22 divided by 12. Now bring it to lowest terms first. Don't go and divide yet. Both of them can divide by 2. Once you see even number, that means can divide by 2. What's even number? That means your ending of the number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 0 or 2. You know you can divide by 2. So you divide, you get 11/6. We do the long division is 1 whole 5, 6. Okay, we do move to the next one. 8/14. Hilwa, this one you got to check. Okay, 8/14. Okay, what does it? You divide by 2, divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 4/7. Next one now. Down here, both can divide by 3. So we divide by 3 first. Okay. Ready? If I made a mistake in correcting you, please tell me.
You did.
I did. Sorry lah. Okay, divide by 2, 3. Divide by 3. So what do you get? You get 8/3. Your answer is it 2, 2, 3? This is correct. 2, 2, 3. Let's see. You got it, Shalina. Well done. Okay, that means more or less this you got no problem. Okay. We are now going to go to the next one. This one is P5 work still. So we are going to go now, P6 work. You try please question A and B, see whether you remember what was taught. I already taught you, right, this one, what to do, doing the flip and all right. You all know what to do. You try. A and B, and go. Well done, righty. Come on. Chayo. Kashri, well done. Hilwa, well done. Come on. What about the rest? How come you're... Come on. Shafia, well done. Naomi? Almost there, Naomi. Okay, I will run through first one. You must remember this one now is divide. 1/4. Oh. What are you? Sorry. 1/4. Divided by 2/1. Riaz, got to check. Okay, watch what happened. Divide must change to times first. So you put 1/4 times. Allahu Akbar. 1/2. This one does a flip. Sun goes up, sun goes down. When you change this sign, divide sign, you change to times. I'm so sorry this is messy because I do not know what has happened to my pen. But here we go. Cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. Top times top. 1 times 1, 1. Bottom times bottom, 4 times 2, 8. So 1/8. Okay, you check with the next one. Okay, let's see. Riaz. Yes, down here. You change to times 3 goes down, 1 go up. So top times top 1, bottom times bottom 3 times 3, 9. Riaz, you okay, Riaz? Shalina, well done. Okay, Shafia, well done. Now we're going to move the next one. Here we go. You try C and D. I will just remove this. Try to make no mistakes with this, please. Change to times. Do the somersault on the right. Okay, some of you can do real somersault. I did a somersault. I broke my hand. Well done, Castrell. First to come in. Well done, Castrell. For Naomi, well done. For C. Hilwa, well done. Raidi, well done. Riaz, well done. Come on, Castrell. Castrell is waiting for you. Come on, faster. Well done, Raidi. Don't be like that, Mr. Castrell. How you read the book, Castrell? Shafia, well done. Shalina, well done.
Huh?
Have you read the book? Riaz, well done. Hilwa, well done. You like the book or not? Should I write more?
Yeah. Right.
I should. Naomi, well done. All of you have gotten it. Well done. Alhamdulillah. Well done. For being able to do that, let us have a very quick break. Some of you have seen this already. So Hilwa, you might have seen this. In fact, Hilwa has seen this. So that's why she's having that background. Well done, Shafia. Well done. Okay. What background? Okay. You know in Malaysia what has happened, right? So I'm just going to share with you. What is so significant for me is this was a place I used to work at. Where? In Shah Alam. Okay, this is what happened. In Shah Alam, let us see. Down here. You can type Malaysian floods now. This just happened in the last few days. Now down here, can you see potting. Okay, let us see. Yeah, Naomi, please go, Naomi. You look at there, potting. If you've been to Malaysia, KL, okay, KL is actually in a valley, but
I cannot hear.
You cannot hear. Why cannot hear? Oh, you cannot hear the sound. I'm so sorry. You try one more time. But you can hear me, right? But we don't want to hear your voice. Too bad. Okay. Anyway, so this is the...
Authorities are on alert for waterborne diseases like cholera. Water supply has been restored.
So you might think, well, shock, we can play in the thing. You know the dirt that comes from the toilet and all floating up. You're walking in it. Imagine now you're living in a one room, the single floor here. The toilet now, all stuff is going to come out. How are you going to berak? Let's say now you are having a flood in a berak, you go one corner and berak, right? So other people are doing the same thing. So how? You're going to have diseases.
Stored in many parts of the state after a treatment plant resumed operation. Across the nation, the death toll has climbed to at least 41, with 8 people
All these cars going to be rosak. They have to go for special fixing.
still missing. The federal government says that it will pay about $2,400 to the next of kin of each victim. The education minister has postponed the reopening of schools in the new year by a week. Now, many students,
So you can see all the malls and all that. I used to eat near these sort of places.
their parents and teachers are still picking up the pieces after the devastating
So you have to travel by boat, and the boat is provided by the military, the navy.
floods.
It's a muddy business, something
So once the floods come in, you don't think it's so easy. No, you got to get rid of all of this stuff. What is this stuff? It's the soil that's carried, right? The dirt, it becomes.
Fizi Raza and his family are used to in the aftermath of flash floods. But this time round, even his grandparents are weighing in to help clean up the house and salvage whatever they can. And they have to do it fast, they said, before the mud kicks.
Masalah dia lumpur, bau. Yang kedua nyamuk.
Oh,
Nyamuk memang banyak. Masalah nyamuk.
So there's two problems. They say, if you don't remove the mud is going to harden. It's going to be solid. Then it's going to be very tough. The other one is mosquito.
It's total loss for his furniture and electrical appliances, he said, as they will all submerge in flood waters.
So all the electronic stuff are gone. When the flood hit, what they do? They turn off the electricity. So can you imagine at night, you'll be in darkness now. You're all alone in the house now.
Kita ni tak sempat nak buat apa-apa. Jadi maknanya selamatkan diri saja. Angkat dokumen, masuk kenderaan, terus lari. Jadi kita pun tak sangka benda ni akan sampai kepada paras lebih kurang 6 meter.
Boleh tunjukkan sampai mana air itu?
Air sampai bahagian atap.
Sampai
Bagian atap is here. No, the water was right until here. Very high, very bad. Almost reaching.
Atap rumah dah sampai ke bumbung rumah.
so, semua tenggelam.
Semua tenggelam.
Now, this was how strong the currents were from nearby River Bernos that swept through the central part of Pahang, where I am in Bentong a few days ago, washed away homes, flipped over cars and piling them all the way right here.
Dia parking dekat jalan, tiba-tiba kan, yang dekat jalan tu semua habis.
Dia macam kolam besar.
Tapi sebab sekarang ni saya tengok kan, banjir kali ni kenderaan, rumah habis. Selalu saya tengok Temeloh ke Bertakak sana kan. Kali ini bentung satu bentung. Supaya air macam laut.
Since the rains began on the night of December 17th, tens of thousands of people have been evacuated, and 41 had lost their lives as of Friday afternoon. Perhaps more devastating than the millions of ringgit.
So you must remember, if you've been to Shah Alam is right outside Kuala Lumpur, you know. Okay, I used to travel all these places. It's
Worth of damage
bad.
the floods have caused is the unimaginable trauma experienced by
You look at the water going up to the roof here. So they were saying some of them were sick old people, you know. They died. They would die, you know, because they cannot move.
victims. Homes lost, businesses brought to their knees, families forever broken. So, how did we get here?
Okay, just to show you that. So this is our neighboring country, you know, Malaysia. You know, it's not far away. Many of us have been to Malaysia. Imagine the places you go in KL and all it's flooded. I have friends in Malaysia, so I asked them, "Are you all okay?" They said, "We are okay." We are on a bukit. Around the bukit, it's all water, flooded. But thank goodness they are safe. Thank goodness I'm not there because I live alone when I was there. Can you imagine? Oh my goodness. But anyway, let's get back to Max. I think I'm feeling as if I'm gonna. But anyway, okay, let's try. Here we go. We are gonna go through this one now. Can you try A and D? Oh, A and D. Oh, very fast. I did not check, and it's all wow. So Hilwa said 12, righty said 10. Which one is the right one? Righty, check. Oh, righty. Which one is the righty? Okay, Kashri. Oh, okay, sorry. Righty said for the first one. Well done. Righty, well done. First one, Kashri, well done. Hilwa, well done. Kashri, well done. What about the next one for D? Is it 10? Is it
Sure, I
40?
don't know.
You're done all, okay. So the first one is 12. I think I cannot last long. Okay, D is 10. First one is 12. Okay, well done. If you have gotten it. If you have done it, please move on to the next one. So this is 2/1. You change times, becomes 6/1. Remember, it does the flip. So this one is 12. This one, same thing, 4/1. When you change to times, it's 5/2. Now you can reduce, divide by 2, you get 1, divide by 2, you get 2. 2 times 5, 10. Okay, let's see this one, 12. This is 12, right? This is 12. I'm so sorry. This is what? 8. Okay, all okay, or you have not done the 8. Okay, those who have done, well done. And it means it's very easy for you lah. Okay. Okay, if it's very easy, we move on. Let us try now question number 4 and 5. Problem 5. What if I put fraction? What do you mean? You put as fraction, what do you mean, Riaz? 1/10. 1/10. Riaz. Okay, Riaz.
The answer.
How do you get 1/10? 40. You go and change this to 1/4. You put 1/4, is it? Riaz, if you do like that, means you have flipped the wrong thing. When you change to times, only the right hand side is supposed to change. It's supposed to do a somersault. You know somersault, right? I do not know whether they have done, but the right hand side, the left hand side is the same. The right hand side becomes 5/2. You don't go and turn the left side. No, this one is I turn the left side. This is wrong. Okay? Yes, you okay now, Riaz? Over. So this one you get 1/10. Okay, but this is wrong. So again, you are supposed to flip the right hand side when you change from divide to times. So I think you should be okay. So Riaz cannot be fraction, okay? Okay, now we go to that 5 and 6. That's now, where was it? 5 and 6. This one, is it? This one now. Question number 4 and 5, sorry. Okay, sorry. Understand carefully, okay? Understand carefully. Ready. Ready, come on, ready. Over, ready. You got to put it right. You got to put it right. That means you don't understand the question already. Okay, only number 4 of us. Don't do number 5. Number 4 of us. I think I better not show number 4. Do number 4 only. You need to do it properly lah. Think carefully. Think carefully. What are you gonna cut? That if whatever you're gonna cut, that is what? That is the number in front. For example, $10 is divided. 10 is in front. 10 divided by what? Number of children 5. 10 divided by 5. Okay, so we're gonna see. Righty, got 3 answers so far. Righty, all 3 answers are not correct. Righty, come on, righty, over, righty. Righty, over. Say over what? Over the moon. Come on. Shafi, come on, Shafi. Is that Shafi? Shafi ran away. Riaz, you know what to do? Okay, Riaz has an answer. Let's see whether she is correct. So far, no one has gotten an answer. That means this is our area of weakness. Problem sums. Okay, we do it together. When you get to a problem sum, first of all, you must believe in yourself. If you believe that problem sum you cannot do, that's it. You must believe. So we take one sentence first. Don't look at the whole question, just one sentence. And when the sentence we read in chunks. 3 blocks of cheese. You understand 3 blocks of cheese? Yeah, you have one block, you have two blocks. But see, why is it circle? Never mind, let's say I put circle. Okay. Are of the same size. Okay. And then they are cut into 6. Do you understand what is 6? Look, this one now. If you don't understand, I have to go now back to this one. Okay, what is it? Ayo, this pen. Okay, do you know the difference? Now Ria's corrected. The difference between 6. Shafia, stop walking about, Shafia. You're walking here and there. How are you going to learn, Shafia? Come back, Shafia. Sit down. Alamak, this girl, I'm going to tie you to the chair now. Come. Look at this. Shafia, you know what's the difference between 6 and 6? You say, I know 6 and 6. 6 is actually tak sehat. And then 6 is actually, he says, the one who believe in a religion like Hindu but not Hindu. No, that is sick. Yeah? Okay, hold on. I'm not asking about sick. Hello? I'm not saying sick. Okay, sick is sakit. What's the difference? This one we write as 6. Hello. This one you write as how? This 6, we can also write as 6/1, right? This one is opposite. Do you all know that? Not? Every time you have this like that, I mean it's 1/6. If I tell you how many 10s are there, 10 is what? You know 10 is 10, 1, 1, 0, right? 10, let's say 10 is 1, 0, but 10 is 1/10. What is this? What is this? Okay, I put down here. Let's say we put 5th, or 6 lah, 6. I'll draw for you. What is this? This is what it is. So you must understand this, okay? Please understand it. This means like that. Okay, watch out. Don't walk about now. Some of you are walking about. Oh, it's your family members. Okay, never mind. Okay, then you don't stop them. Okay. This is what is, we are dividing it into 6. Look at this. This is 1/6. You know that? Now they are cutting the 3 blocks into 6. How many slices are you going to get? You know the answer. Now you try now. You tell me, I'll tell you, all of you go tell me the answer. Why? Because now you understand what it is. What's the answer for number 4? Come on, ready. Stop looking down. Ready. And the rest, what is the answer? Okay, Riaz, you have given me the answer. Well done. Kashril, come on. Come on. Yeah, scratch it out. Yeah, one more time. Okay. You were scratching something out. Kutu lah inside. Okay, but never mind. Come on, the rest. Hello. Shafia, come on. Tak boleh, Raidi. Raidi still don't understand. Shafia, well done.
So is plus.
No. Okay, so now down here, this one, there's a block. There's a block. 1 block, 2 block, 3 block. They're going to cut it. Say, going to cut what? Say, they're going to cut it into 6 parts. Because it's 6 what? So how many slices do you get? That's what they're asking you. And the answer is, come on. How many slices you get? You're cutting for a cake for your birthday. No, Hilwa, you cannot get half a slice. Half a slice means, you know what's a slice, not? Kashril, well done. Now let's say mommy give you a slice. And mommy say, I give you a slice of cake. This is a slice of cake. Then say, can I have half a slice you cut into 2, no? So this is not what I mean. Down here, one block can cut into how many parts? How many slices? 6 slices. This one, 6 slices. This one, 6 slices. So how many slices you get? 18, 6 times 3. How to do it by maths? 3 divided by, remember what is 6? 1/6. So what happened? 3/1, divide, change to times, 6/1, you get 18. Can you see not? By formula, you will get the answer. But if you do not know what the question is saying, you cannot do this question. So you cannot say the answer is 2/3, whatever. Answer is 18 slices. You know what's a slice, right? Keping. You know keping not? Okay lah. We try the next one. Come on. Don't give up. Some of you, when you're doing your fast, you're okay. Then after that, you feel dejected. Don't feel dejected. Okay? Pat yourself on the back and okay, you try now. Ask yourself, think. It's not always the first one divided by the second one. Think. What divide by what? Think.
Sure.
Yeah.
Can take water.
Take. You want to try this experiment, right? Please carry on. You can take water, you can throw water. You know what it is, right? Riaz, you know what's throw water? You know? Do you speak Malay? Or not? You don't speak Malay? Raidi, you speak Malay, right? What is throw water in Malay? Huh?
What? What?
Throw water Malay in Malay. Throw water.
Throw water. Buang air ya?
Buang air kencing lah. Okay. Alright, come. Alright. Here we go. Come on. Hilwa. No. You see now, how many times must he fill the jug? He must fill the jug 1/24 times. What is that? You know, I pour 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. I want the number of times. How can it be a fraction? You understand what I'm saying? Okay, now let's say, for example, I'm going to pour. This is my cup. Okay, I'm going to pour 1 spoon, 2 spoon, 3 spoon. After 332 spoons, it become filled to the brim. But then now your right answer is half spoon, then you can fill. Half spoon is so little, you put inside, fill up. It means magical water. That means you don't understand the question. Okay, let's try again. Riaz, Hilwa now got it now. Let's see. But I want you to understand again, what divide by what? Okay, I'm going to show you now down here. Okay, what divide by what? You have a very big pail of water, let's say. Okay, the pail of water here. Now you're going to cebok. You know cebok? You go to the toilet, you have to clean yourself, right? Okay, I won't draw the butt, but I'll draw the, what do you call it? The scoop. You put inside, cebok many times. I say, how many times you have to scoop the water before the water finishes? So down here, let's say now is 10 liters. This one is half a liter. You know how many times? You calculate this one. This pail of water has 10 liters of water. Your cebok scoop can take half a liter. How many times do you need to scoop full before the water disappear? Finish. Hello. Hey, why you cebok? I see all of you eating. Of course, eating, by the eating, you think about cebok, you feel like vomiting now. But try this question now. Okay, you have a pail, 10 liters of water, you want to cebok, you're going to scoop it out. How many times you scoop before it becomes 0? Try lah, tell me an answer. Very simple. 10 divided by half. 10/1 times 2, 20 times. You use a scoop 2 times is 1 liter already. You see, half plus half, 1 liter. Another 2 liters, 3 liters, 4 liters, 20 times. But some of you, when you say, I ask you this question, say, how many times I scoop? Oh, the answer very simple is 1/20. I say, what is 1/20? 1/20 scoop is very small like that, you know. You mean you take a little bit of water, disappear? You say, yes, it's a magic water. Say, no, don't want magic water, This is maths, okay? Yeah, I say, I will just a little bit. I just put a little bit on my bum and my whole bum clear, no? All the skin come out. Aduh, ya Allah. Okay, no. Okay, we try. Come. We try this one. Come on, try this one. Come on. You must know how to solve problem sums. Why? Allah sent you on earth full of problems. There's no such thing as a holiday season now. You're going to have problems every day of your life. Small problems, big problems, sometimes once every few years or once a year maybe. Can you avoid problems? Cannot avoid problems. If you know how to solve problems, you know how to live your life, inshallah. But see, how come some people very good in maths, they still got a lot of problems? You cannot solve problems. Righty, let's see. I think most probably you're correct. Let us see. So now, it's almost the same like our pail question lah. Okay, I think most of you, Raidi, Riaz, I think you got it correct. Kashril, maybe you got it correct. So I do not know. Kashril said I haven't sent the answer. Okay. So now you have this thing, this jug lah. Now we use the jug. Okay, let's say that we use the jug is the cebok thing lah. Okay. Now you're gonna put inside. How many times must you put in before it's full? This is the same thing. I give you an example. How many times must you take out for it to empty? This one, how many times must you put it in for it to be full? So same thing. What do? You just take 9 divided by 3/8. See, why is it like that? Because we are going to divide it to 38. So 9/1 times
Answer is 24.
24. Okay, yes. Well done. 1 and 3 and 24. So that means you need 24 scoops. 24 jugs you pour. Grrr, 1. Grrr, until 24 times that it's filled to the brim. You must be able to understand the question. Otherwise, you only know computation. What is computation? I show you computation. You only know like that only. Then your paper 1, you can do some question, but paper 2, you say, I don't know why I cannot do paper 2. Of course, because now you got to apply your understanding. So now you must remember you are in P6, you must believe in yourself. You have already known this one. You must believe your brain can solve it. See, whatever if I can. Inshallah, you can. You can. You try this one. Try and believe in yourself, okay? Believe in yourself. You have to believe, I think I may have given you something like that before. Or is it the other class last time? Ready? Can do not ready? Ready? Are you there? Frozen? Hilwa, congratulations. Hilwa now is coming first. Come on, come on. Ready? Okay, not ready? You're frozen as now.
Leg. That was like.
Lagging, is it? Riaz,
Yeah.
well done, Riaz. Riaz, well done. Kashril, well done, well done, well done. Okay? Well done. Come on, Shalina, we're waiting for you. I'm eating, please. Why are you eating and eating? It's very nice, it seems. We also already done this, but different values. Yes, I think we have done something like that. You know why? Because you know why it's like that, Riaz? Because sometimes the book questions from one book to another, it looks the same. It looks like sometimes they're copying, but we don't say that. Okay, just a moment, Riaz. Riaz, you know what's lace, not lace? You know. Do you wear lace baju to school? You wear lace? Hey, are you sure not you? Lace
Sure,
is
I
not-
know. Sure, I know what it is.
Okay,
Lace chip, sure. Lace chip, yeah.
but who likes to wear, man or woman? Lace.
Woman.
Woman, if men wearing it, you know something wrong with the man. The man wear, you know, don't wear it. You know what I'm talking about? No. This might be a girly man. Okay, well done, Righty. Okay, first of all, before we start that, let me show you what's lace, because you need to know all this. We are doing the question, say, I don't know what is lace. First of all, let me show you something that sounds like lace. Okay, you can see this, right? Lice. You know what's lice? I show you lice. Lice is kutu. This is found in the head. Okay. People said that is lice, kutu, not lace. Lace is different. So what is lace? Lace cloth. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay, but anyway, normally they wear baju kebaya, whatever they show that. I didn't know they're going to show this. Sorry, but women like to use it because it's very nice. It's half see-through. So men normally we don't wear see-through, right? Right. So lace is a type of cloth. Now, some curtains have lace. You know what I mean? This time, let me go and check first the lace curtain. Hold on. I did not mean to show you the thing like this. Yes, now better. Sorry, Okay, after some of you will say, you know, Mama, Mr. Syed ini, dia actually, this lace curtain, can you see? It's partly see-through. Okay. Can you see down here? Can you see this one? This is lace. So some women for kebaya, whatever they like to wear as the sleeve lah. Anyway, so that is what it is. So now I want you to imagine what are you gonna do? Okay, every time you need to cut, it means what? What sign is it? Every time you need to cut, what sign is this? It's divide lah. Cut means divide. Remember that, So something is divided. What this 4 meter roll is divided into what parts? Oh, like that. Also, it's 4 divided by 1/10. That's all they're asking you. You get it or not? So now what you do? You change the divide to times. Then you get 40 lah. Okay, you don't flip the wrong way around. Riaz doesn't even flip the 4 opposite. You get 1/40. Then you don't know what is it. So now you can get 40 pieces. You know 40 pieces, right? You one piece, you know what it is. But if let's say you answer 1/40, what you're talking about? 1/40. You say, I got one piece. 1/40 is very small part of it. Say, the 4 meters, you have very small part. Okay, but anyway, we'll move on now. Okay, we move on. I think some of you are sending a message. Can I go toilet? Please, very fast. Go. Don't go so fast. You thought shoelace. Okay, shoelace is different. Shoelace is different. Yeah, shoelace is also lace. It's lace. Okay, we try this one. Think. Hello, think. And then apply. Whatever you want to cut or divide is in front. Well done. Well done. Okay, that means you are getting it. You are getting it.
Who?
You got it first lah. And then Riaz. And then Riaz. And then Hilwa. And then Raidi. Good. You must know what numbers should be in front. Very important. Yes, very important. So down here now, what you want to cut or divide? You want to cut or divide the 2 kg of apricots. You're going to divide what? You're going to divide into the number of tarts, right? So each tart need 1/8. You must do like that. Finish. You get 16. In this case, if you put 1/8 in front, divide with this one, cannot here. Okay, well done. Okay, that means this is correct. Well done. This is not kg. This is number of tarts. Kuih tart lah. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay, come. We try. You must believe you can. Again, the longer one must be in front. You cannot be shorter one in front. You can shorter number divided by long. You know what I mean? Okay, what is strike? Strike. Okay, so I better explain. Strike. What is strike? You all know what strike is? Strike is your length of your footstep lah. Strike. Now strike, that means big strike, small strike.
Belajar.
You done already? Okay, we have not even shown the thing you already done. Okay, never mind. We see how good it is. Okay, let's see. Wow, very fast. You send your answer. Oh, Raidi, you already sent. Wow. Wow. So, see, once you know the trick is so simple, right? Okay, we wait for the rest. But as we wait for the rest, I will do the drawing. Okay, this one now, 24 meters. Very long like that now, 24 meters. Then the strike, let's say it's like that. Like that. This is one big step. Well done, Kashril. 2 strikes. So they're asking you how many strikes are there? And you know each strike is 3/5. Take the longer one, divide by the shorter one, 24, divided by 3/5. Some of you feeling bored already, let's say, alamak, so easy. But remember, that's how we did the first question, you all were blur. So now, but the rest, some of them might take a longer time to absorb. It's okay. So you must do like that, flip. We know, you know how to do this. Now you got to apply to a question. So now down here, how? Reduce, divide by 3, you get 8. Divide by 3, you get 1. 8 times 5, 40. So there's 40 strikes or steps. You see, but not steps, no? Step is like that. That means your leg is like that. 1 step, 2 steps. It's one after another. Strike is how big you can stretch your legs. How many strikes? Okay, here we go. Next one. Again, it's very easy. You can do this. And go. The rest must do also. Shafia, where are you? I'm in toilet. Okay lah. Okay, stay inside the toilet then. Shalina. I have not seen your answer, Shalina. Why, Shalina? I'm eating lah. Please lah. Oh, very fast. Let's see whether you're right or not. Congratulations, Mr. Raidi. Wait. Oh, yeah. Wait. No. Raidi, I don't think this is correct, Mr. Raidi.
So this one should be behind, right?
What should be behind? Always the bigger one must be in front because you want to chop it up. What? You want to chop the big one into parts.
Okay.
You want to chop the big one into parts. Come on, Shirley. I cannot be like that. It cannot be. Is that like that? Okay. We see. Hilwa. Ini terbalik. Terbalik kuat.
Is this going correct or not?
Okay, I'm now calculating. Yeah. I think your answer is correct now because it's not a whole number. So let's see. Okay, hold on. Just hold on. Okay, well done, Mr. Kashwil. Your answer is correct.
So
Okay, but-
Mr. Shahid,
Yeah.
my brother asked why you never teach Sec 3.
Why you ask like that? Because
because you
I will.
forget it.
I will teach you all. Maybe I teach you all Sec 3, but your brother's time are not ready. I have so many things to prepare. Okay, we're gonna try. Okay, some say 16, some say 16, 2.5, some say 6. But do you understand the question? Okay, let us do one by one. Okay, you understand the question first. Faulty clock means this clock dah rosak, you know. Let's say Riaz now give. Every day, what happens? The clock gains 3/5 minutes each day. That means it becomes faster by 3/5. Let's say now, the original time is 12 o'clock, but this one will be 12 o'clock and 3/5 minute. It's a little bit faster. So let's say now, 1 day, 3/5 minute. 2 days, 3/5 minute plus 3/5 minute. 3 days, 3/5 minute plus 3/5. You know, after many days, how many minutes it become faster? You understand what it means? That means this clock, it goes faster, additional 3/5 minutes. So what to do? I want to find out how many 3/5 minutes will make 10 minutes. How many days? 1 day, 3/5 minutes. 2 days, 3/5 minutes. 3 days, 3/5 minutes. So after how many days? So I need 10 minutes divided by 3/5. 10 minutes. Remember, you understand the question first, then you say the big number, 10 minutes, divide by 3/5. See, why must big number be divided by this? It's like now you have a daging, 10 kg daging. Okay? Then imagine. Now you want to cut into smaller parts, each part 2 kg. Okay, good. But if you have a 2 kg daging, how you gonna cut a 10 kg piece from it? You don't even have enough you only got for 2 kg. You cannot cut a 10 kg slice. But if you have a 10 kg slice, you can cut a 2 kg slice, a 2 kg slice, a 2 kg slice. Do you get it or not? So that is why the bigger number here is divided by the smaller number. So the bigger number is 10 minutes. And I want to know how many 3/5 minutes are there in 10 minutes. That's what the question is saying. So what you do, you just divide. Very easy. 16 is not so accurate lah. Okay, you must give like Raidi, like Riaz, like Kashril. What is it? You flip it over. You get, cannot cancel, right? 10 times 5, 50. Divide by 3. You get 16 days and 16 and 2/3 days. What does it mean? 2/3 of the day lah. You know, 2/3 of the day, one day is 24 hours. 1/3 is 8 hours. 2/3 is 16 hours. So it's 16 days and 16 hours. That's what they're saying. The unit is days, but you don't need to write like this. Okay. Again, I do not know whether you get me or not, but you must understand what the question is saying. You imagine yourself talking to a person, and then you don't understand what the person is saying. You say, how are you? What's your name? What type of crazy person will you be? If there's someone asks you, then you do like how you do maths. How much do I owe you? Just hold on. Plus minus times. Okay, $2. Can you imagine? It doesn't make sense. There's no connection. No. So you must understand what the question is. I leave it to you. I cannot force you. You have to force yourself. As I told you, I told many classes, primary school maths is being used in everyday life. But now what we're going to have now? Now we have computational one. Here we go. Okay, very nice lipstick, Shafia. Come on. Do this one. Come. Don't use lipstick. You're too young. Later on. You might influence Naomi. See now Naomi looking at you. Say, can I borrow? Naomi, don't borrow her lipstick now. All right, come.
Oh,
Try
no,
in.
lipstick lah.
Then what is that? It look like lipstick lah.
Lip balm.
Lip balm is another name for lipstick, is it? To prevent lips from cracking. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see now. Let's see. Raidi, well done. Kashril. Wow. Kashril, well done. Hilwa, well done. Who before Hilwa? Riaz, well done. Wow, very fast. Kashril, double shot straight. Raidi, double shot straight. Riaz, double shot straight. We're waiting for the rest. We're waiting for the rest. Hilwa, well done. You see, computational, you got no problem. What do you have problem with? Applying it in a question. So try C and D, please. Come on, come on. Kashril some more. Dia tak kasih Chan, ya. Okay, Kashril. This time, I think your answer is not correct. Dias, well done. Raidi, well done. Hilwa, well done. Kashril, check your answer for C, yeah? Unless you give me D already. No, right? Shafia, well, Shafia, how you get 6? Okay. Oh, you're doing, now I get confused which question we are doing. Hold on. Okay, we run through. Okay, very easy. Notice all of this is very easy for you, but that's not a challenge for PSLE, right? So although you might be doing well for tuition now, remember you got to master problem sums. Okay, here we go. 6/1. You do the flip, you get 2 down here. This one is 2. This one, you flip this one, you get 3. This one, how? Okay, I show you in slow motion. You times 10 goes up. So down here, divide by 5, get 1. Kashril, divide by 5, get 2. 4 times 2, 8. Down here now, 6 goes up. Okay, this one goes down. Okay, this one you get 4 lah. Okay, well done. Okay, I'll show you the working. So divide by 3, divide by 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Again, this one, notice you are very, very fast. Okay, so fast that some of you are using lip balms and whatnot. Okay, but it's okay. You see the lip balm girl is looking somewhere else. Okay, come. Shalina, did you send your answer? Not Shalina. Oh yes, you did. Well done. Who did not send? Nayu, did you send your answer? Yes, I sent. Try. Come on. Aduh, I just look. Yes, go to toilet. Throw the water, take the water, whatever you want. Hilwa, please carry on. Okay, let's see now. Divide. Well done to the first batch who given Kashril, Raidi, Rias. Okay, let's see. Well done to those who give the second answer, Raidi, Rias, Kashril. Shalina, well done. Nayu, well done. Okay, and who else? Okay, the next one. Okay, well done to Rias, Kashril. And the last one, Kashril, Rias also. Where's Raidi? Raidi as well. Oh, Raidi is much faster. Okay, Raidi, well done. So Raidi and Rias and Kashril, you know you're very fast in this. Your next challenge now, problem sums. You got to go for problem. Don't be afraid.
But Shah, I'm slow.
Who's slow?
Me.
You're not slow. You're just not used to the practice. It's like, for example, you want to fight a gangster. I also fight a gangster. I'll also be beaten up. In fact, the other day I interviewed some gangsters. And what happened to them? The gangster cried. You want to see the video now? Yes. Allah Akbar. And this gangster, they have tattoo, on them. But they insaf lah. That means they regret. And they say, you know what they say? My mother, before she died, she told me I better change. And he start to cry. Become good, So, so I have it on the camera, but I maybe. Okay, Naomi, well done. Okay. So Shalina, well done. Well done. So all of you can do this. Nayu, well done. Okay, your answers are all correct. So now, how? Okay, how now is problem sums lah. The problem sum is like a gangster. Okay, when you see a gangster, sometimes you feel so scared, right? So you just go and fight. You never mind if you're scared, you fight. Don't worry, don't scratch your head. Because you can do it. I know you're scratching your head, but because although my head, are you gonna punch me down here? Maybe. Okay. But let's try. Okay, yeah. Okay.
So if you like meet a gangster, right? Like you bump into a gangster, they will like bully you, and then they say like, "What you looking at?" And then one time, they say that I say. No, they say what you looking at. Then I say, and then I ran away.
What you say? What?
I said nothing. That I ran away, but they were chasing me. Then
But this gangster is what? Your age or what?
Older.
So yeah, I mean, don't. Some of them, they are not real gangster lah. You make a complaint to the police. Remember who they are. The police will catch them, put them in jail. Singapore, you don't need to worry about so much about gangsters unless you're all alone, stuck in a room with them and something else. The action gangster, they're not real gangster. They're monster. Huh? Okay, but some of them, they really changed. They really changed. So I'm doing a documentary, right? So I interview them and they're helping other gangsters to change. Because sometimes, and you know what they say? I ask them, what is it that will keep a person who used to do bad become good? You know what they say? Love and care and attention. Can you imagine? They need love, you know. So how did they join the gangs? Partly because they did not get care and love maybe from family. So they joined this group of people who's like tough and all that and say, you are with us. But they also tell me this. When you go to court, your gang is not going to be there for you. When you go to jail, they will leave you all alone. So he says, because of that, I choose my mother, I choose my wife and all that. See, quite a nice thing. Later, I'll find some photos and show you. You tell me whether they're gangster or not. But now we got to go for problem sum. This is your gangster. You got to fight this. If you say you do not want to do problem sum, then how are you going to pass your paper 2, your maths? You know, even paper 1, there are problem sums. So you got to fight it. Okay, you got to fight it. You believe in Allah lah. Believe in Allah. Here we go. This one competition. We try this one now. We try this one. Ask yourself which one must be in front, which one must be behind. You just think first. You think first. You think. Distribute means what? Equally. You know it's divide, right? You can do this. You can do this. Let me go and check the gangster photo. Abang gangster. Abang gangster. Abang monster. Okay. Some of you give an answer. Just a moment. Just a moment. I will check in a moment. Okay, I think, wow. I think I have not thought through the answer, but I think your answers are correct. Kashril and all. Everyone is giving me the same answer. Most probably correct. So what are you going to divide? You are going to divide what? You are going to divide the almond. And how much is the almond? 2/3 kg. And you're going to divide among how many children? We do not know. But we know each one get 1/9. So if you have done this, you take the total amount of almond, divide by each child receive this amount, you will get the number of children. So let us see. And I think you all got it correct. Congratulations to all of you here. Sorry. Okay, thank you. My wife has sent me the gangster photo because I cannot be taking the gangster photo while I'm talking to them. 2 times 3, 6. So there are 6 children. Well done. You do the next one. I will soon flash the gangster photo. And you tell me whether they are gangster or not. And go. Udah kirim ya? Okay. So fast, you're so fast. I'm just searching for the gangster photo. You finish already. Okay, but remember this is level 1 problem sums. Okay, this is wow. All of you have the same answer. I think we are on a. Okay, I'm going to go through now shortly. Yeah. But just before the thing, let me just bring to, and then you can see the man crying. But, okay, here we go. Let me check now. So you have a fishing line. The fishing line is very long. And what is the longer part? Is 4/5. And you're going to cut it into parts. You're going to cut into 1/5. Well done lah. You got it correct lah. It's 4 parts. Well done. 4/5 times 5/1. Okay, you will earn for yourself free gangster movie. Okay, 4 parts. You ready? I show you. But don't laugh lah, because this come from the heart. When a gangster can break down, That means it comes from the heart. That means what? That means every human heart, every human being has a soft part. You must remember that. Not only girls cry. You know, when I do this, what is this documentary? I also cry. Big man like me crying. Of course, I know some of you were saying, "Can we see the photo of you cry?" So bad. Okay, this is the one. Can you see? This is one abang gangster. But let me show you the picture first lah. Okay, this one now is crying.
Dengan keadaan orang tua saya tak sihat. Dia ada penyakit kanser, ada diabetes.
Okay, but this one is one. This is the one. The head is botak is me lah. This one. This is me. You can recognize me by the slightly botak head. So happy, Shafia. Shafia, I'm so sad. My head is botak. Down here. Okay, this is one. Let us see another one. Okay. This. Can you see this guy now? Have you seen before? Okay, so this is the person I'm interviewing. He has what they call insaf. He's quite popular in Malaysia. He's called Abang Long or something. I didn't know who he is, so I asked him about his life lah. But anyway, that's why it's talking. So they have so many ex-gangster criminal. They come here with their families. They want to insaf. Insaf means they want to change for good. And this person and a few others are helping them, guiding them to be better human beings. And I asked them, what is it that ex-offenders or criminals who have been jailed, what do they need? They said they need love. I said, huh? They need love. Yes, they need love. They need care, because that is the first reason why they entered the gang. They didn't get attention. So if your parents love you and all that, you should be very happy, because your parents are saving you from joining gangs. Huh?
Why do this at the parking lot?
They have their event at the parking lot, and then the police came because they did not book this place. So can you see? So you have a lot of this stuff, but you look at his hands, legs, and all that, and you say when we go into the mosque, people start to look at us. They say you cannot pray with all this tattoo, but you know their whole body is tattooed. You know. So we must not judge them, because you never know, they might enter paradise, we enter hell. We don't know. We don't judge them because they have become good human beings. Anyway, that's the end of gangster story. Now we go back to gangster maths. Okay, gangster maths, huh? Ready, yeah? And here, okay, gangster maths now. You know what? You're killing gangsters now. Gangster maths. Yeah. See, everyone's so happy to kill gangster maths. Wow, Kashril. Kashril, you know already lah, Kashril. Easy, right, Kashril? Kashril, once you know the trick, it's so easy. No, not easy. Okay, you must be. Riaz, well done. Ask yourself which one is the longer one, which one is the shorter one. You say, I don't know which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Which one is bigger? Half of 1/12. Raidi, well done. Hilwa cannot be fractured. Which one is the longer one? Which one is shorter one? You must remember that. Yes. So you must. Okay, see, if for those of you who do not understand, okay, 1 minute got how many seconds? Let us try lah. Okay, well done, Shalina. You times this by 60, then you know how many seconds. You times this by 60. So the bottom part is 30 seconds, you know. You don't believe, you use your calculator and find out. Down here, you have 5 seconds. So they ask you, a wheel take 5 seconds to make a complete turn. How many turns can you make in 30 seconds? Very simple, 30 divided by 5, you get 6 or so. But you say, but this one is fraction, it's the same thing. The bigger number divided by the smaller number. You don't take, a wheel take 5 seconds, wheel take 30 seconds. How many turn can you make in 5 seconds? Yeah, then you get the other way around, opposite. Okay, so you get it, you get it. Okay, all of you got it correct. Answer is 6. Well done. Okay, we move on to the next one. Remember, your task is not only computation. Computational is without problem sums. You must go to problem sums. You try now. You try. This one they're asking about length and breadth and area. You know. What times what equals to area. You know. You think. Believe in yourself. Believe in your brain. Believe in Allah. Welcome back, Ms. Shafia. We are doing question 8. Let's see. Okay. Correct. I myself must do. Well, everyone's giving the same answer. Let's see. Maybe Naomi also giving the same answer. And one person saying I can go toilet. Apa lah. Okay lah. Go lah. Go. Bye bye. So happy to go. Okay. Okay. So now we know. Let us go for something simple first. Area, you know, length times breadth equals to area. Now, how to find the length of breadth? Okay. Remember we showed this. I do not know whether you remember this. This is area. I show it on the board. This is length. This is breadth. If you want to find length or breadth, what do we do? Okay, so now let us look here. Okay, let us look here. Okay, this is triangle. You have to know how to use this triangle, right? Because you'll be using it in P6, you'll be using it in Sec 1, and so on and so forth. So now this is the triangle. Length times breadth equals to area. If you want to find the breadth, area divided by length. If you want to find the length, area divided by the breadth. If you want to find the area, what did I see? I think I said the wrong thing there. One more time. Okay, length times breadth equals to area. If you want to find the breadth, cover the breadth. Area divided by length. If you want to find the length, cover the length. Area divided by breadth. If you want to find the area, cover the area. Length times breadth. So now, just now you have area and I think you have breadth. You want to find the length. So you want to find the length, cover the length. Area divided by breadth. So you know the formula now. So we are going to see now. Did you all do this? Heidi, what is that hex sign? What does it mean? Okay, so now down here. So the area.
Accidentally pressed.
Oh, no problem. So area is 4/5 square meters divided by the breadth. You see, I showed you, right? There's the formula. Let us see whether you get it right or not. And then 4/5 times 5/3, and you got it right lah. You get 4/3 because this is now cancel, right? Cancel, 1, 1. So this is the same as 1 1/3. So the length is 1 1/3 meters. But notice I use something simple to explain to you length times breadth, because the area you do the same thing. Let's say one day you see hantu lah. Imagine you see hantu, or you see an alien. You don't understand. So you must compare to animal, hantu, spirit, then you understand. See, what is this creature? I don't know. So you will compare to what you understand. That's how you learn. So you compare whatever you understand already, whatever that you know how to do. See, I don't know what example you are giving. Okay, never mind. We do that next time. Okay, now we try Mr. Rashid now. He has 9/10 kg of chili powder. Shafia, come back. Stop playing that. Come do this one. Come. Don't play others. Why are you playing others? Oh, Riaz says that. Are you sure, Mr. Riaz? I do not think that is true, Mr. Riaz. Oh, maybe I'm right. Maybe you're right. Really? I think Naomi is correct. Huh? Naomi, give it as a righty, upside down. You must. Okay, I draw for you. I draw. This is a big packet of chili powder. He wants to put in small packets. So they want to know how many packets there are. He's gonna pour the chili inside here, So what does it mean? This means divide lah down here. This one 9/10. This one packet is how much? 1/5. Okay, so yes. Now, so you take 9/10. Why 9/10? Because you are taking the chili powder from the big packet. You are gonna divide it into small packets. So now what happened? So Naomi, your answer is correct, but you give it as a give it as a mixed number like this. So you do the flip, divide by 5, get 2. Divide by 5, get 1. So it's 9/2 is 4.5. 4.5 packets. Sometimes they might say, they might ask you like this: how many full packets does he get? If they ask you like that, then you answer not 4.5, the answer is only 4. Or they ask you, what is the remainder? That one is a different question. That one we do another time. Okay, here we go now. Next one. Okay, before we go there, let us look at some chocolate truffles. Okay, because some might not know. I myself am not so sure. Chocolate truffles. Let me see. Where is it? Sorry. Hold on. I know some of you already do already, but we need to know what is down here. Yeah. You all know what a chocolate truffle? We don't care what truffle is. Okay, we don't care. Okay, here we go. Truffle, chocolate, truffle. This is. Let us look at the image. These are chocolate truffles. Yeah, we don't really know this, right? I mean, for me, I don't really know. I know jemput, popiah.
I got eat this before.
You eat this one. Is it nice? Who make? Your mommy make?
No,
Then where you buy outside?
I don't know.
Okay, so these are truffles lah. Anyway, so yeah, this is more, but it's available nowadays. Okay, you try now. You try. Riaz back. Yes, you're back. Okay, well done. Raidi, come on, Raidi. Problem sum. Come on. Yes, you got the answer, eh? Which one? Okay, let's see whether you're correct. Okay, those of you giving fraction, that means you're not reading. In the box, there's 48 chocolate truffles pieces. They ask you now how many pieces are not made with white chocolate. So you cannot say 1/7. Cannot. You have 48 pieces. Some of them, you got to find out now. Is it 7 pieces? Some say 6 pieces. Some say 42 pieces. You got to find out. Yeah, maybe it might be correct. You can find out now. What is half? What is half?
Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yours look correct. Yours look correct. But your answer is so different from the rest that but yours looks correct. So now half of them are made with milk chocolate. 3/8 of them are made with dark chocolate. So they want to know which one are not made by white chocolate. So these are half and 3/8. So you can find out what is half of 48. Half of times 48. So you can find out how many are made by milk chocolate. Then 3/8 are made by dark chocolate. Find out what 3/8 times 48 are. And then you plus them together. That's it. See, I always thought that we need to divide and divide. Yes, believe your brain first. Believe your brain. Okay, think through. So down here you get what? You get 24. Down here how much you get? You get 6. You get 18. So you add together this plus this. 24 plus 42, yes. So only 6 are made from white chocolate. What is the important point here? You believe that you understand the question. Some of you are so used to this. Oh, there's no way practice like that. Oh, I think half is bigger than 3/8. How do we know? Because if we are change this to 8, 4 times 4 times 4. Wow, go this one 4/8. Then you do this. So Mr. Shahid said, you take the bigger number divide a smaller number. 4/8. Hey, that means you're not thinking. If you do like that, you're not thinking, you know, because you must think. They didn't say, okay, you must think now, you must look at the question. So if you do this wrongly, because this is not what the question is asking. Okay, you must believe in yourself, you must understand the question. Otherwise, you cannot answer the question. If you don't understand the question, how to answer the question? You understand what I'm saying? See, we don't understand what you're talking about. Okay, but never mind. Try now. Orange juice. Believe. You can do this. But my method is different. Okay, what's your method down here? 6, Riaz. That's white chocolate. They ask for not white chocolate. So your answer is correct.
Yeah, but my method is just different.
Okay, what's your method? You take 1/2 plus 3/4, you get 7/8. 1 whole minus 7/8, you get 1/8. 1/8 times 48, you get 6. So you one more step? No, that's not your method. Okay, what's your method?
Actually, yeah, I think that's my method.
Yeah. So now one more step, you take 48 minus your 6, you get your answer 42. Okay? Well done. Alrighty, very fast. Okay, this time it might be a fraction. Let's see. Each get, righty. They didn't ask together get. Together get, your answer is correct. Each of them will get how much? Let us see. Kashril, I think it's too little. Righty, how many persons are there? There are 3 persons, no, cannot be. Because if you add that, you won't, I don't think you all are getting. Righty, no. Because 3 persons in one whole already. So Aini, Bala, David, they wanted one more, they one whole. Then Charlie don't need to drink. Riaz also not. That means you must understand the concept. So far, no one has given the correct answer. Can you try some more? Think through. Okay, imagine. What to imagine? Imagine you have a big container of orange juice down like that. Then someone drank 1/5 of it. Someone drank 1/5 down here. So what is left? 4/5. So this 4/5 you are going to share equally. You're going to share equally. Share equally means what? Divide. By how many persons? By 3 persons. Now you know you can find the answer. Liters. No, there's no liter here. There's no liter. Where's the liter? They don't use liter here. Shafia, come on. Down here, look. This is 1/5. 2 whole. Cannot be 2 whole. 1 whole is the whole thing, Riaz. This is going to be fraction. You must understand the concept. Let's say 4/15. Most probably correct, Mr. Raidi. But why are you so sad? Don't be sad. So you understand at first this is 1/5. This one belongs to Charlie. Well done, Shafia. This Charlie. And then Aini, Bala, David, ABD, they are sharing this 4/5. They are sharing 4/5. So I must divide by how many? By 3 persons. So 4/5 divided by 3. So become 4/5. Yes, you will get over 15. But I do not know whether you understand.
I did the thing wrongly. I forgot to flip.
Okay, follow. How you understand? You need me to explain.
So can you see me?
I can see you. You need me to explain.
No.
No, we just need more flood stories. Okay, come. Let us try the next one. Okay, I erase. Okay, if you want to review this lesson, watch the video. Okay, yes, you know how to watch the video, where to get the video, right? Don't know. Okay, later I'll show you all again. But so far, not many people watch that. But I'll make sure to pick this up. Okay, your last question. You know what's pantry? Don't ring the wrong, say pantry. Pantry is different from pantry. In fact, I went to Indonesia once. I asked her, what's your name, miss? She's so happy. She says, my name is Panty. I do not know how to answer. But in Indonesia, they call it Panti lah. But she introduced to the students, they say, call me Miss Panti. So it was quite shocking for me. It's a little bit crazy, right? Like there was this teacher also, while you are doing, she was teaching the class, says A-P-P-L-E. So one student say apple. Says, no, that is not apple. That is apple. Allahu Akbar.
It reminds me of the Google one where they say goggle.
Google. Yeah, but these are some real life. Okay, come. Oh, you all have done. No, I have not done. Find out what is 5/6 first. What is 5/6 of this amount? Find out first. This one got 2 steps. You find out what is 5/6 of this. And then once you get the answer, you're going to put it in 2/3 bags each. So how many bags does she need? Kashio says 7. 7.00. I don't know. So 0.07 or 007 or James Bond.
It's the timing.
The timing. Oh, 7 o'clock. I thought that's your answer. Raidi also 7. Now, Raidi maybe have followed your answer, but he's saying Raidi 7 o'clock. In other words, say bye-bye.
No.
Yours is 7. Okay.
No, it's not 7.
Not 7. Although, so many reminders lah. Belum maghrib lagi lah. Okay, first we find out now. Dia 32 kg of sugar. Okay, she needs to pack 5/6 of this sugar. So what is 5/6 of this sugar? We find out first lah. Off means times 32. Then we divide. Say this one can divide by 2, I get 3. This one divide by 2, I get 16. 5 times 16 is a short way. You times 10 divide by 2. 80 over 3. And then what do you get from here? 90. 90 is 30, right? 17, 16. 16 and 2/3. Is it correct?
That's my answer, Chef.
Wait. I might have done it wrongly. 5 times 16 is 80. Oh, no, it's not 16. Hold on. Let me just find out 80 divided by 3. 80 divided by 3. 26, not 16. Okay, 26 and 2/3. So 26 and 2/3, now what do? We got to divide it by, we don't change, we don't need to change. Okay, 26 and 2/3 now, we've got to divide it into how many? Into 2/3 packets. So I got to use this number back. It's 80 over 3. Why? 80 over 3 is 26 and 2/3 divided by, divide by 2/3.
It's 40.
It's 40, well done. Divide by 3, answer 40. So there are 40 bags of these, right? Okay, I just will show Riaz. Okay, the rest you can leave, no problem. Okay, so see you next Sunday. Okay, we have a class.
On YouTube, search Shahid Salim. Done.
Yeah,
That's it.
okay, no problem. So for those who don't want to see
Inshallah,
Riaz,
I'm 7:30.
huh? 7:30. Why? Okay, why you wanna go at the 7:30?
Bye.
Okay, those who want to leave first. Riaz don't leave, or Riaz have left. If you have left, then I will not.
I'm not gonna.
You the rest can leave. Okay, down here now you can move on to okay, this one I will also store my other stuff here. These guys, I'm interviewing who now? Mr. Toilet. Mr. Toilet is the one who did World Toilet Day. Singapore did it. There's a World Toilet Day. Do you know that? Okay, but anyway, Riaz. So you go to YouTube. Bye. You go to YouTube. Under YouTube, you type my name, Mr. Shahid. Not MNR lah. Songs. Okay, not songs. Okay.
Bye.
Shahid. Bye. Maths tuition lah. See you. So now down here, you go here. You have all this. So you go for the latest one. You search for the date lah. Let's say you go to videos. It is 1 year ago and all that. You can check under playlist. There's a playlist P6. Down here playlist. Allahu Akbar. This is now a different thing now. I have to change this. I got so many accounts. Okay. So Riaz, you go to the playlist down here. Then you search. You see, you got Zoom Tuition. You have P6. P6. I will put now new one P6 2022 next starting on next week. But you want to check the 2022 one? Just click this one. There's 45 videos here. Okay, then you can see down here which lesson you want. Okay, the dates are all given here. So I should be uploading this lah. The 5th December, Maths Algebra. So after that, I did not upload. I must upload lah. Riaz, you understand how to do? Okay, all right then. Okay, all of you, Assalamualaikum. Take care. Naomi, okay not Naomi? You look so sad the other day. You practice the card or not? Practice. You make the card or not? You have the card. Are you sure? You practice. I talk about card. You're so sad. Don't be sad. I want you to be faster. You know why? Because once your timetable is fast, everything becomes fast. Okay? Don't be sad, okay? Don't be sad. Okay, you work hard. Inshallah, everything will be okay. Bye-bye.